Today's video, I'm going to show you how I created this evening look. Super easy to do, little different from me because I have no shimmers on my eyes. It's all matte. And I am using this. This is from Charlotte Tilbury, and this is her Super Nudes palette. Really pretty. So you can do a daytime look or an evening look. I pretty much did it the way that she has it set up because, and I'll explain it again in the video, but I'll mention it here. These are a look and that's a look. But honestly, play around with it and do whatever you want to do because I have been playing around with this and there's different ways you can wear this. So I may share some other videos on this palette and how to use it, how to wear it and all of that. But I just thought it'd be a great palette to travel with. So without further ado, let's get into the tutorial. So as you can see, I am not completely done with that yet. But I still have to do the rest of my makeup. I'm sharing doing a concealer hack in another video, but I wanted to finish this first. You saw what I look like in the beginning. You'll see me at the end. Let's get into it. I normally don't do all matte looks. I don't know how you feel about it. Let me know. But that's the way we're going to do it, okay? Super easy to do, but what I thought this is great for is this is great for travel. It's just a nice neutral palette for traveling. You can get a daytime, evening look. You can mix it up however you want to do it. But like I said, I'm just going to do it the way she has it laid out. First thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to go into this color right here. It's supposed to be like all over primer color, if you will. So I'm going to go over, apply that on my lid and kind of get it up here too. Now that's a color I'm going to also use just to kind of blend that darker shade in, okay? So the next thing that I'm going to do is I am going to go in and I'm going to take this shadow right here and I'm going to pop that on my lid. But we're going to just keep that on my lid. I'm not going to go into my crease or anything like that. Oops, I kind of dipped my brush into the black so I had to wipe it off. Next thing, I mean, this is easy. Can't get much easier. Next, I'm going to go in with this brush. This is from a BK Beauty 205 brush. See how it's kind of angled? See how it's angled? So it just makes it really easy to do this look. So I'm going to go in with that black right there. And tapping it off even though it doesn't completely matter because I don't have any foundation on or anything yet. And just getting it in that corner there. I'm going to get some more. And we can build this up. Then I'm going to swing that brush around so the pointy end is more towards the outside. And I'm going to start to put some of that in my crease area. I just don't want it to be really dark there. That's why I didn't just apply the color there. And then I'm going to take my brush, my fluffy brush from BK Beauty. This is the Nikki La Rosa. And I'm going to build this up. One thing I will say about this black is blacks are really hard colors. Sometimes they can be like really bold. This one is definitely one that you have to build up, you know. And I'm going to blend this. I may have to get my little 10 times mirror so I can really see. Yep, now I can see better. I want to blend that. See, I don't like that there. But one thing about doing your eyeshadow first, I will say, is if you make a mess on your face or it doesn't matter, you can clean it up. Now I'm going to go in and I'm going to take the color that I used first. I just want to wipe off. I'm wiping off my fluffy brush. I'm going to take that color right there. And I'm just going to kind of go around here. I need my other mirror. Just to kind of blend that out. And I want to make sure that I'm even. I feel like I need a little bit more. I'm going to go in with a different brush now. I'm going to take my BK Beauty brush number 207. See what it looks like? I just need a little bit more of a dense brush. I'm going to just tap a little bit more on and then bring it up this way. Just really need some more to define my eye because when I'm doing this, it's kind of like I'm contouring my eye. I'll have to do a whole video on that. And I need to. There we go. Just want to make sure I'm even. I'm going to go in and I'm going to take, I'm trying to think, what color did I'm actually going to go in with this color. There we go. I'm going to go in with that color. Just need a little bit more depth here. There we go. And then I'm going to blend that out still. That looks even. Okay, so now I'm going to take my, what eye pencil? You know what it is. As I'm filming this, you'll see another video. I recently did pick up, because I don't know when this is going to be out, so I'll just tell you what it is. I got the by Mario eye pencil because I heard it was amazing. I like this better. It's not amazing. Sorry. I did not like the little brush on the end. It was so flimsy. It's so funny because I was looking at it, okay, when I was in Sephora. I'm putting on this tight line, and then I'm gonna do just like right above my lashes, and I do a wing. So I was at Sephora and I was looking at it. And one of the workers came over to me when I was looking. She's like, "Oh, I really love those pencils. What's so great about it is a little brush." And I was just looking, you know, you're looking, you're kind of like, I don't know if I need to get that. Maybe I won't get it. But then she said that, and I thought, oh, maybe I'll pick that up. You know what I'm saying? And now I think, bitch, you lied. I mean, because that little brush is so freaking stupid and flimsy. Like, that is not the reason to buy that. Okay, it is not the reason. I'm like, there's no way. I'm taking black and a little bit of this brown color. And I'm going to smoke it here first, and then I'm going to go above. And I'm going to have to fix this because this is going to look as bad as this side does, okay? I have to fix it. And then I'm going to wing that out too. But I have to do my concealer. So I'm like, I'm going to fix it. See how I just do a little flick. And if it gets a little sloppy, it's okay. You can fix it. You can go in with a brush like this, a concealer brush, and you can just go like that. Look at that. See what I'm saying? Like, you can fix it. It's not a big deal. Do the same on the other side. Fix it. Take your finger and fix it. Look at that. See how that just... So the underneath here needs to be blended out more. But I want to get my concealer on and really blend it out. So I'm going to do that, put my mascara on, and I will be right back. So once again, this is my final look. Super, super easy to do. One area I'm careful with, and you saw in the video how much more darker it looked down there in the beginning. I don't like to pull it down too much because I don't want to pull my eye down, but I do like to smoke it out there a little bit. So I really like this palette. I love her eyeshadows. I think they're gorgeous. I have many of them, and I'm always happy with the results that I get. So just a nice palette if you are into neutrals. I think you'll really like it. I'll probably be wearing this in other videos too and do some tutorials, but super easy to use. I think you'll really like it if it's something that you're looking for. If not, then you can go ahead and do a similar look with colors that you already have in your collection. So that is where I'm going to leave it. Thank you so much for joining me. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you're new here, I would love to have you join. It's free. Just smash that subscribe button below. I share new videos every single week. Please make sure you turn on notifications so you're notified of my new videos. I don't want you to miss any of them. And I would greatly appreciate it if you've enjoyed this, that you make sure to like, share, comment on my videos. It's your way of giving back to me. It pushes my videos out to the algorithm, and I would greatly appreciate it. Thank you. Thank you so much for joining me today. I really appreciate you being here with me. Without your support, I wouldn't have a channel. So I really appreciate you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.